It's easy for district leaders to get caught in a rut. It's easy to continue to do what you've done and just try to do it marginally better one year over another.
Working with Insight has been a very powerful experience for Lindsay Unified because what we knew we lacked and what we knew we needed in this work right now was expertise in calibration and how to actually conduct frameworks at larger levels.
Insight has been instrumental in helping Guilford County work on a strategic plan by doing a deep dive, serving on the superintendent's transition team. That meant looking at the academic outcomes in the district and also looking at the state of teaching and learning, looking at curriculum and instruction, and making recommendations.
Insight has supported our instructional leadership teams in such a unique way with the 5-star meeting approach. And so I think with that, it has guided our conversations to be rich conversations among our administrators.
We support schools and districts across the country and internationally. We do that by training teachers, by training principals, and working shoulder to shoulder with superintendents and other school leaders to help them figure out how to create change that's going to impact students in their organizations.
The mission of Insight is quite simple. Every student, every classroom, every day. And what that conveys to me is a sense of urgency around our work.
Insight Education Group team helped us to think thoughtfully of our practices by using a reflective questions which help us to deepen in thinking of the roots and the causes, and that help us all the time to think about the teaching practices, about the teaching activities we delivered with the participants.
One of the things that I think compels people to partner with Insight is our experience doing similar work. We have an amazing team of professionals who not only have researched and read about the work, but who've actually done the work and will stand shoulder to shoulder with their school, district, or state partners to get the work done.
There was a concerted effort on the part of the Insight team to really delve into and to become a part of the community as they were researching kind of what is. And so building relationships and having lots of conversations with stakeholders from across the district, understanding what has been, what is, and what could be.
Insight supports our work with recruitment and retention in a couple different ways. One, it really helps us broaden our scope and outreach to possible candidates that would be interested in coming to Indianapolis. Another part is really developing multi-layered system of support as far as getting the word out about marketing our school district.
And so we really have partnered with Insight to make sure that we can get to the point where our leadership can look for what they should be looking for, can give coaching and feedback in the most productive manner, and ultimately can be calibrated across what they are looking for to remove the subjectivity that is often associated with teacher evaluation.
Insight Education comes into a district and really sits and listens to the district leaders, they listen to the teachers, and they seek to understand the district's specific context. They really seek to understand what your needs are, and I tell you, in this business, that is priceless.
What I appreciate most with the Insight team, that they are experts in their fields.
A reason for district leaders to engage with Insight is because they will challenge your thinking. It's not just about incremental improvements over what we've always done. There's a real focus on examining what we do, discussing why we do that, and making critical decisions about where to place our energies and our resources.
When I meet someone for the first time, I describe Insight as an organization committed to ensuring that every kid has equitable access to high quality instruction. That means every kid needs to be learning every day, and that's hard work. So at Insight, we're really striving to think through these specific challenges and help partners really engage in the right work in the right way at the right time.